In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable authentication in Firebase. So the first thing you have to do here inside your Firebase console, you want to click on the project you want to use. So I'm going to use this Firebase app. And then here you want to go inside build, and then inside build, you should see authentication. Just click on that. And for the first time you do this, you're going to be able to enable it. And when you do, here it's going to say users, send sign-in methods, templates, etc. You want to go to users here. You want to click on set up sign-in method. And then in here, you can basically add a provider. You have the native providers, and then you also have the additional providers. So of course, you can select whichever one you want. I'm just going to choose Google for this tutorial. And then you have to basically select if you want to whitelist client IDs from external projects, which of course is up to you, and you will have to add them if you want to. Or if you want to have a web SDK configuration, you can also add your client IDs and client secrets, etc. Now, of course, this is going to be required if you are trying to enable Google. If you're trying to do anything else, it's going to be a bit different. So here, just click on enable and then select your project and then your support email as well. Click on save. And when you do this, it's automatically going to be enabled. So in a few seconds here, when this updates, you'll be able to see the status is going to be set to enabled. There we go. Of course, you can then go and add a new provider, such as, let's say, email password. You could enable all of this, click on save, and this is going to get enabled as well. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.